some detail. Of course, if the Senate President has questions, he can just go ahead, no? So sa Tacloban, meron pong CCTV. May nanonood ba o nagre-record lang sila?
Ah, good question, Mr. Chair. Kasi we saw the CCTV working. The number one question is, are these CCTVs installed in strategic areas?
Okay.
Yung location po ng school. Kasi malaki po yung school eh. So, although merong nakatutok sa gate, meron pong nakatutok, but there are blind spots or blind spot areas in the school na wala po talaga. And I think these are ito po yung mga opportunities wherein even if you have secured the gates, meron po talagang pwedeng pasukan. Second, would that it's really, I think, purely recording because
Exactly.
the monitor is placed inside the school principal's office. So wala na rin ho sigurong time yung principal na panoorin yung CCTV on a daily basis because sa dami po ng trabaho. So that's also one thing that we would like to strengthen, that it's not only the recording, but there should be a review of the CCTV and analysis.
Watching, actually watching,
Yes,
di
sir.
ba?
Yes, sir.
Kasi kumbaga kung yung mga CCTV nandyan para mag-record, that's to, address bullying complaints later on or security complaints later on. But ang importansya ng CCTV in the case of the Tacloban incident was, nung nangyayari na, pwedeng madirect yung teachers or security personnel to really go to the or to get the security personnel to really go to the areas where the shooters were, no? So in the School Safety Act or in your DO, let's try to really flesh it out na hindi lang yung presensya ng CCTV, pero meron talagang nanonood, 'di ba? May security officer talaga for every school, or I'm sure you're going to determine which schools yung kailangan talaga, maybe yung above a certain threshold. Baka pwedeng isama na rin natin siya, no, dun sa batas. And of course, as we finish this law, we'll go into the budget and hopefully we'll be able to provide some support. Kasi right now, first of all, I'm surprised na 40% ng mga schools may CCTV. Kinukuha nila yan sa MOE nila. Correct, di ba?
Either that, Mr. Chair, or meron pong mga
Donasyon.
donate.
Yes.
Meron pong nagpo-provide, or they're using their special education fund coming from the
The
LGU.
LGU.
Yeah.
Okay, so naghahanap sila ng paraan para magkaroon ng gantong security measures. Of course, if we put it in the law, then it becomes our responsibility to fund. In the same way we're funding classrooms and we're funding chairs and tables and devices, we have to fund these security measures as well, no?
Yes, sir.
Kung ito man ay walk-through metal detector or added personnel or CCTVs and the like, no? Ako lang siguro, wag tayong tumigil sa devices. Kasi kahit may device, kung wala naman hong gumagamit o wala naman hong tamang paggamit, hindi rin siya magiging solusyon dun sa hinahanap natin. So, I agree. To be fair, this was Senator Tulfo's main provision in his amendments to the Anti-Bullying Act. So, maglagay tayo ng CCTV, pero maglagay rin tayo ng kaakibat na manpower na gagamitin to. Currently, wala tayong security officer per school, no? Is that in the plantilla or is that in the budget of our schools? Meron po ba?
Ang meron po natin, Mr. Chair, security guards.
Meron.
Or what we call as watchmen or watchman. But the security guards would be basically manning the gates.
Yes.
And or probably if merong pong spare, ito po yung umiikot around the school, especially in the big schools that we have, Mr. Chair.
So we have that in the budget already.
Ano po ito? There is a plantilla. Yusek Willie would know that natamaan po kasi ito ng rationalization natin, Mr. Chair. Kaya many of those items were affected by what we call a CTI, coterminous to the incumbent. So kasi ang naging direction po, Mr. Chair, nung rationalization is to outsource. So many of our schools, of those who have security guards, they have already outsourced, meaning they have already contracted security agencies using...
That's not naman, kumbaga that's a separate concern kung DepEd personnel ba sila or contracted out sila. But is it mandated that every school has a security guard right now? Or kasi parang di naman lahat, pag umihikot kami, parang di naman lahat may security guard, no?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair.
Do we have data on that? Kung ilang mga eskwelahan yung may security guard?
Meron po. So, well, in terms of ratio, 3 out of 10 of our schools, Mr. Chair, would have security guards, but ano po yan, varying levels of security guard hiring po yon. So, around 31.7 overall, 31.7% or around 15,328 schools would have security guards. And yung pong funding source ng security guards natin would vary from the use of MOE. Meron po LGU provided. May PTA din po, PTA provided, or a combination of MOE, LGU, or PTA. So, basically, yun po yung profile natin on security guards. Again, Mr. Chair, when we say security guards, we cannot assume that these are the blue guards. No, many of them would be falling under the classification of watchmen or watchman.
Okay. So, one of the provisions that we want to include, apart from having security guards, is also the coordination with the PNP and with the barangay tanods,
Yes.
no? Kasi may mga ibang eskwelahan, talagang maliliit lang talaga sila, 2 o 3 classroom. Baka naman yung barangay can provide yung mga tanod, no? To man the school. I trust DepEd will be able to determine the size of the school, the hotspots, kung ano dun yung kailangan talaga ng formal security guard, kung ano dun yung kailangan ng may person of authority like a barangay tanod. And then eventually, we will also ask, or maybe we can ask our friend from the PNP, si Lieutenant Colonel. Right now ho ba, nagpapatrol ba yung mga, kasama ba sa patrol ng mga pulis yung mga eskwelahan? O hindi ho sila kasama?
Yes, sir, kasama po they are included in the conduct of patrolling of the members of the Philippine National Police to ensure that the learners are safe in their respective schools, sir.
Pag nagpapatrol po, bumababa po sila at umiikot sa eskwelahan or dumadaan lang sa yung sasakyan o yung motorsiklo?
Yes, sir, sumasama po sila. Actually, they are joining the activities in the school like the conduct of the flag raising, sir.
So ano po yan? Kung may eskwelahan, so di ba ho, ang PNP naman, nasa lahat yan ng lugar sa ating bansa.
Yes, sir.
You're saying for sure na ang mga eskwelahan, ang mga DepEd schools at least, kasama yan sa patrol. All of the DepEd schools, kasama po yan sa patrol ng mga kapulisan po natin.
Yes, sir.
And then when they pass by the school, they go down, umiikot rin sila. So ano po yan? Mga once a week na pupuntahan or every day na pupuntahan? Ano po ba yung kadalasan na napupuntahan po ng kapulisan yung ating mga eskwelahan?
Sir, actually, sir, based on observation, in our practice, sir, they are doing daily duty in the schools, especially except for holidays.
Of course.
The police are present in every school to ensure the safety of our learners, sir.
And ano ho yan? Depende po sa patrol kung umaga, hapon, or what part of the day, or is it a regular part of the day?
It is part of the duty or the regular day of the school, sir.
Opo, pero yung oras na pupunta yung pulis, ano po ba yun?
So,
The same time every day or depende po sa araw? Depende sa patrol ng araw?
so especially, sir, in the morning, sir, they to facilitate the entrance of our students or learners. So the presence of the police is usually they are there, sir.
Sa umaga?
Yes, sir, umaga at hapon, sir. And to facilitate the students or the pupils in going out from the school premises, sir.
Ito, hindi ko alam kung alam niyo yung sagot dito. Pero kunyari, yung sa Tacloban, ang mga pulis po ba nakapunta na ng umaga at what time was the incident? Anong oras po yun? Umaga, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, maaga po, around 9:20. In fact, katatapos lang ng flag raising ceremony.
So, were the police there in the flag raising ceremony ng Tacloban kung nasa flag raising po yung kapulisan? I don't know if you know. Probably hindi nyo po alam, ano?
To check the record, sir.
Opo, can you check? Kasi mahalaga ho yun eh. Kung, kunyari, kung kakatapos na ng flag raising at nandun talaga sila, baka Clearly, there was no police in the premises when this happened, no?
Ah.
Clearly.